everyone, welcome to my channel. Your computer performing slowly. Do you want to delete all the unnecessary file with one click? Then you can do the whole thing through one of the Microsoft free authentic apps. Please watch the full video so that you can speed up your PC. That's what you need to go the search option and click on right on PC manager. Okay, just search and you find this Microsoft PC Manager. Just press on download button. Okay, just click on download and just press get. Press yes button. Pending. It depends on your internet speed. If your internet speed is more better, then you can download fastly. Otherwise, need to take some time. Okay, we can see installation almost done. Okay, now just click on open button. Okay, just press in start. You find in there is lot of option like 92 memories used, temp file is 616 MB, and processor startup clean, deep clean, all are in there. If we want to delete all temp files, just click on boost. You can see temp file almost finished. Also CPU is also less. Okay, if you want to clean, deep clean, just click on deep clean. Also you can show the startup which apps is running on your windows opening. Okay, if you want you can off some apps. Okay, you can also and click on home and just click on deep cleaner and scanning is running. All file is showing there. Okay, you can see all file is showing there. Okay, if you want you can delete all. Just select update file, error file. I also want to delete. Just click process cleaning. Okay, clean up complete, free those mbs. Okay, done. So if you want your PC make it faster, then you can use these apps. This one is Microsoft Authentic apps. Thanks for watching. To get more technology video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks.